Hello, I am Minu Tawny from Informatica Global Customer Support Team. In this video, we shall see how to install Hadoop Binaries in DEI 10.5.3 client using Integration Package Manager utility. The agenda of this video is overview of Integration Package Manager utility and steps to execute Integration Package Manager utility. Then demo. To mitigate the vulnerabilities associated with the third-party Hadoop and Databricks distribution package binaries, few changes were made to the 10.5.3 installer. Third-party distribution package binaries are separated from both client and server components of the Informatica installer. While installing Informatica services, there will be an option to choose one or more distribution packages that need to be installed. Using Integration Package Manager utility, distribution packages can be added or removed even after Informatica installation. Integration package binary files can be downloaded from the link shared by the shipping team. Now let us see the steps to execute Integration Package Manager utility. Add the environment variable infra.jdk home in the client machine with value infra home clients Java. Execute client.bat console or client.bat silent in command line from Integration Package Manager directory. After executing client.bat console or client.bat silent command, you will be able to see the distribution directories in infra home clients, developer client, Hadoop directory. Log file will be generated in the Integration Package Manager directory. If client.bat silent command is used to install Databricks or Hadoop distribution package binaries, then below variables should be set in Integration Package Manager.properties file. User install directory should be set to infra home directory. Operation type should be set to extract if you want to add Hadoop or Databricks binaries to the domain. It should be set to delete if you want to delete the existing Hadoop or Databricks binaries from the domain. Selected Hadoop libraries should be set to a value which indicates the distro and its version. For example, selected Hadoop libraries, if it is set to 10, then only EMR 6.4 will be considered. This is an example that EMR 6.4 is considered. If client.bat console command is used to install Databricks Hadoop distribution package binaries, then provide the input in command prompt. Below error will be displayed if Hadoop distribution binaries are not present in source folder in Integration Package Manager directory. Ensure to place the Hadoop distribution binaries in the source directory before executing Integration Package Manager utility. Now let us move to the demo. I have downloaded Integration Package Manager and extracted the files. Here we can see Integration Package Manager.jar file. Make sure that it exists. And the properties are present in Integration Package Manager.properties file, which we can modify. So we'll be executing client.bat. So here we can see source directory where we have to place the client version of the Hadoop binaries. A log file will be generated in this directory after the execution of client.bat is completed. Let's modify the Integration Package Manager.properties file to remove the Hadoop binaries. user install directory. This is the info home directory. So I'm choosing to delete all the Hadoop binaries. So I've selected option 12, which is select all. The operation type I've chosen as delete. First, let's execute client.bat in silent mode. So this is the directory where I have placed integration package manager. So I've already set the properties in the properties file. So I'm executing the client.bat in silent mode. It has completed the execution and a log file will be generated. This is the log file which is generated in integration package manager directory. Here the operation chosen was delete, and which all Hadoop binaries were present, it is deleted. I'm not modifying the properties file, so I'll now execute the client.bat, not in silent mode. I'm not changing the operation type here, but in the console. Now I'm executing client.bat space console command. Input is the info home directory. So I'm choosing the option 2, that is to install the packages. I've placed the client version of Hadoop binaries for EMR 6.4, so I'm choosing the option 10. It has completed. Now a log file will be generated in integration package manager directory. This is the log file that is generated. We can see that message, it has extracted the integration package binary for EMR 6.4. We can also see a folder being created in info home client developer client Hadoop directory. That completes the demo. Refer to these documents for more information. We would love to hear from you. If you have any suggestion or feedback, please write to us. Thank you.